Hey everyone, Mike Jacobs here from Career Services and Student Activities, and I hope you're having a great semester. TRIO and the NSCC Wellness Committee will be having an Easter egg hunt throughout campus for all learners, faculty, and staff March 25th through 29th. Scan the QR code on each of the 15 eggs to be entered to win prizes. On Tuesday, April 2nd, Northwest State will be hosting close to 80 local and regional employers in the atrium from 10:30 to 2 at our annual Job and Career Fair. This event is free and open to all NSCC students, graduates, and the general public. Please dress professionally and bring a resume to connect your skills to exciting job opportunities. There will be full-time, part-time, seasonal, and summer employment from all employers, and you're encouraged to connect with as many as possible during this very important event. Make sure you check out the Job Fair page with a complete list of participating employers. You can also get prepped for the Job Fair by attending the remaining career workshops on March 26th and 27th, reviewing interview skills. These each take place from 2:30 to 3:30 in C200. TRIO students are also encouraged to register for the Employer Roundtable workshop the morning of the Job Fair. Look for the registration link in your student email. Well, that's it for this update. Thanks for taking the time to watch. A new video will be sent out every other week, so make sure you remind your peers to tune in. Thanks as always for choosing Northwest State. I'll see you soon.